Welcome to Compass Wire Cloth. For over 30 years, we've been making replacement screens for all OEM screening equipment. Whether your need is sifting, separating, sorting, or sizing, our modern facility is set up to fabricate any type of screen you need. Our comprehensive wire cloth inventory is one of the largest in the industry and is available in all meshes, alloys, and wire diameters. Our large inventory means quick turnaround of your order, and our experienced staff fabricates any type of replacement screen you need. Our industrial fabrication department can fulfill most of your requirements, including cut pieces. In our edge screen department, various types of edge preparation are available, including material for high temperature and FDA applications. We can also sew, add grommets, heat seal, or seam material. Over in our pre-tensioning department, we fabricate both round and square tension screens, including ultrasonics. Options include single, double, and triple layer screens, along with screen cleaning options. Screen adhesion options include FDA or high temperature epoxy and spot welding. We can supply you with either new frames or refurbish your frames. In the aggregate department, we can supply you with any type of heavy wire screen you need. If you need related parts, we carry a full line: clamp rails, channel rubber, bolts, boots, connectors, and anything else you need to maintain your equipment. We're experts at welding, both MIG and TIG, as well as seaming. Our customers continually give us a 5-star rating for our on-time delivery. We're proud of our quick turnaround. We're particularly proud of our world-class quality system. We're ISO 9001-2008 certified, and that international quality certification means that your screens are made right, period. You can be sure your screens are fabricated exactly to your specifications every time. We're among the industry leaders and proud of our reputation. Our sales staff is at your service to make your needs our main concern. Whatever your screening requirements, Compass Wire is ready to meet your needs. Give us a call the next time you need screens or parts. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us.